Picture this. You're navigating the bustling streets of a foreign city, your smartphone doubling as your map, translator, and lifeline to the world. Suddenly, a motorbike zooms by, and before you know it, your phone is gone, snatched in the blink of an eye. Such incidents are alarmingly common, with phone thefts on the rise in many popular tourist destinations. But don't be too scared to travel. I've got you covered with 7 absolute anti-theft gadgets and strategies to turn the tables on those pesky thieves. Number 1. GPS trackers. Ever had that sinking feeling at the baggage carousel when your suitcase decides to go on a solo trip? Yeah, not fun. That's where GPS trackers come to the rescue like little digital detectives. One couple in New Zealand had their camper van broken into. Over $4,000 worth of stuff gone. But plot twist, they tracked their stolen gear using their AirPods location. And guess what? The thief got caught, and they actually got some of their things back. Whether it's a tile or an AirTag, these tiny gadgets let you track your bags, camera gear, or even your snacks, no judgment, in real time. Just make sure to turn off the beeping feature unless you want your thief to go, what's that sound? Number 2, the bag that outsmarts pickpockets. Let's talk about anti-theft bags, aka your travel BFFs. These clever bags come with hidden zippers, slash-resistant straps, and fancy RFID blockers that basically say, "Not today, thief." One savvy traveler who's been to Europe more times than she's lost socks in the laundry finally upgraded to a travel-on bag, and instantly felt like a spy on vacation. No more nervously clutching her purse like it's made of gold. Brands like PackSafe and Travel-On have got your back, literally, with bags that are secure and stylish. Yep, you can protect your stuff and still look good in those vacation selfies. If you love these travel smart hacks, hit that like button, tap subscribe, and stick around. Empower Your Journey's got your back, one travel tip at a time. Number 3. The wallet that blocks the bad guys. Okay, real talk. RFID skimming isn't super common, but if the idea of someone swiping your credit card info with a sneaky gadget freaks you out a little, you're not alone. That's where RFID blocking wallets come in. They're like tiny force fields for your credit cards and passport. Slip your stuff inside and boom, no creepy digital pickpockets allowed. Even if the chances are low, having one of these gives you that sweet peace of mind so you can focus on the fun stuff, like whether to order a croissant or a delicious latte. Number 4, DIY secret pockets. Sometimes you gotta get creative, like James Bond on a backpacker budget. One solo traveler in Central America did exactly that. He paid a local seamstress just $5 to sew secret pockets into the inside of his pant legs. Genius, right? These hidden hideaways were perfect for stashing his passport and emergency cash. Way safer than the old wallet in the back pocket move. Plus, no pickpocket is gonna start rummaging through your inner pant seams. And if they do, you've got bigger problems. So now I'm curious, what's the sneakiest travel hack or clever hiding spot you've ever used? Let me know in the comments. Number 5, personal safety alarms. Let's face it, sometimes you need assistance and yelling help in 5 languages might not always work. That's where a personal safety alarm comes in. These pocket-sized lifesavers blast out a siren so loud, it'll make your attacker think twice, and probably scare off every pigeon in a 3-block radius. It's small, simple, and seriously powerful. Just pull the pin or push a button and boom, you've got attention. And when you're traveling solo or wandering unfamiliar streets at night, that kind of attention can make all the difference. Number 6, carabiner clips and safety pins. Sometimes it's the smallest gadgets that do the most. One experienced traveler had a clever trick. She locked her purse shut with a mini luggage lock, threading it through the zipper loop so only she could get in. Sure, it took a second longer to grab her lip balm, but hey, her stuff stayed hers. Carabiner clips, safety pins, tiny locks. They might not look glamorous, but they're low-key lifesavers in crowded buses, metros, or chaotic markets. Think of them as bodyguards for your bag, without the sunglasses and earpiece. So tell me, what's your go-to MacGyver-style travel hack? Our final one, portable safe. Why? Because not all hotel locks deserve your trust. Picture this. You're in a dreamy beach bungalow, sipping coconut water, living your best life, but the door lock looks like it came from a dollhouse. Not ideal. That's where a portable travel safe swoops in to save the day. These wire mesh beauties let you stash your passport, cash, gadgets, whatever you don't want walking off without you. Just hook it around something heavy, like a bed frame or a bolted-down nightstand. Zip it shut, and boom, instant peace of mind. It's like giving your valuables their own mini panic room. Remember, while gadgets and gear can significantly reduce the risk of theft, staying vigilant and aware of your surroundings is paramount. Equip yourself with the right tools, trust your instincts, and embark on your adventures with confidence. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below letting me know your favorite tip. Safe travels, and until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.